Here's the SanDisk Phone Creator SSD. This one goes directly on the back of your device. This has a built-in MagSafe compatibility, so it is really easy to put it on the back of an iPhone. So just like this, it is attached to the back of this 16 Pro Max, and then I can use the USB-C and start recording directly from the camera of this device onto the SSD. So here's the cable for the installation. This cable came with this SSD, and I didn't do any special adjustment or formatting for the SSD. I simply removed the SSD out of the box and I can start using it. So you can see this is the full installation of the SSD on this 16 Pro Max. So currently I'm inside the file application. If I click on browse, and I can see here all the SSDs that I have on this device. So due to the length of the cable, sometimes it doesn't stay right on the back of your device. So you might need to simply use this cable in order to keep the main cable flat like this, so that it doesn't push and remove the SSD. The magnet is there, the magnetic force is there, but it is not really strong. That's why it might move or get removed. So file application, you can see I have phone SSD. Long press on it, get info. Here you can see I have, it is configured into exFAT and 1 terabyte of memory. So this SSD is pre-formatted into exFAT so that you can use it on any devices. So this is really good. You can use it on iPhone, you can use it on Samsung devices and any other Android, MacBook, Windows, all that, since it has the exFAT format. It is 1 terabyte of memory, so you have a lot of things that you can do, put inside. Currently it is empty. So like I was saying, for the SSD to stay put on the back of the device and not move, make sure that you tie the cable so that it is completely flat. So with this SSD, I can record directly onto the SSD using this iPhone 16 Pro Max into the PRORES format using log or HDR. Click on camera, then you click on 4K res, and then I can select log or HDR. Select log. So after selecting PRORES and log, I have 1 hour and 12 minutes remaining of footage on this SSD. So this is the total that the SSD can do, 1 hour and 12 minutes of PRORES recording. HDR is the same, 1 hour and 12 minutes. So you can do the recording directly from your device onto this SSD, since it is a fast SSD and it's going to record everything at the same time.